Speaker, sir, I visited Wayanad with my sister some days back and I saw with my own eyes the devastation, the pain and suffering that resulted from this tragedy. Almost 2 kilometers of the hill had just collapsed and almost a river of stones, river of mud had come down and more than 200 are dead and eventual casualty is going to be 400 plus is what it seems. I'd like to commend the work of the Union and State Government, of NDRF and SDRF, of the Army, Navy and Coast Guard, District Administration, Forest Department, Fire and Rescue, health personnel, and assistance also from the states Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Landslide has cut vital roads and has made it nearly impossible for rescue teams to reach the far reaches. This is, I think, a huge tragedy, sir. And it's a very concentrated tragedy located in one very specific area. So I would urge the Union Government to support a comprehensive rehabilitation package for Wayanad, including for building disaster-resilient infrastructure and to help the affected communities. I would also like to urge the Union Government to enhance the compensation that people are getting. And finally, I would also like to urge the government to declare the Wayanad landslides as a national disaster. It was very, very sad to see here that in a number of cases, only one member of a family is remaining. So it was a real tragedy to see that. And I'd like to also thank the entire House for the support that everybody has given to the people of Wayanad. Thank you.